The different types of breath work are from different studies. We have Qigong, which Qigong is the parent of Tai Chi, Bagua and Wing Chun, which all have different, very powerful aspects of healing, as well as you can say the fighting systems, right? So Bagua focuses first on the healing aspect, while Tai Chi combines both the healing as well as the fighting at the same time. And Wing Chun is more or less a fighting style. Some people call it Chinese boxing. So it's more of a fighting style. However, they all incorporate breath. Or they all come from Qigong, and they all incorporate breath. There's also the Ayurvedic, which is from the Himalayas, or from also Asian, but it's from the Himalayan Asians, the Ayurvedic medicine. So it's yoga has a very strong focus on breath as well.
Tehu Community Development, 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.